stood so sadly and heaves the fond sigh. Alas, cried young Dermot, 'tis only poor I. Oh, under the willow so green, my fair one has left me in sorrow to mourn. So here am I come just to die all alone. No longer for love shall my bosom enslave. I'm wearing a garland to hang o'er my grave. All under the willow so green.
The fair one you love is, you tell me untrue, and here stands poor Sheila forsaken like you.
All under the willow so green.
Oh, take me in sadness to sit by your side, your anguish to share and your sorrow divide. I'll answer each sigh and I'll echo each groan, and 'tis dismal, you know, to be dying alone.
All under the willow so green. Then close to each other they sat down to sigh, resolving in anguish together to die. All under the willow so green.
But he was so comely,
And she was so